Soldier Farms wood shop, built to last. Every cut is careful, never fast. Handcrafted quality, made just for you. Since 2024, we're carving something true.
Hey you all, it's Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. Today, because it's only 8 degrees outside, we are in the basement, and so I'm going to do some work on these long work tables to do our project for our video. This video will come out after a couple other things that are going on with the channel are done with, and it'll kind of serve to frame some soon to be coming projects. So without any further ado, let's get into it. As you saw on the video that I posted recently, I got some mail from Gitty, who is a manufacturer of supplies for cigar box and other homemade instruments. So I bought their pure and simple cigar box guitar kit, and it came with all the hardware, tuners, bridge, strings, all the screws, a slide, because it's a slide only, it's a fretless. It came with this cigar box, or this cigar box-esque box, and with hardware, and it came with the neck. And the way they have wrapped this thing is just great. I am very pleased with how that came. It is there is one neck, obviously, and it is not the usual barely and fairly wrapped. This is nice. So I'm going to lay that aside. And so what you get is the neck, and the frets are wood burned on. There is a place that looks like it was laser cut. It may have been filed or routed, but it looks laser cut, which is no problem. And then the template line for how far you place the cigar or the neck across the box is already made for you, and this one attaches to the top via screws, like so. And we will be getting into this build just a moment. I will take and adjust the camera so that hopefully you can see the work area better than you can see me. So loosen that up and get you down here where you can see what's going on.
Hang the lantern, fill the flag, and let the old drum thud in time. Once we muttered oaths in taverns, now the echoes cross the line. Powder, smoke, and ink-stained letters turn to toasts in every town. Raise your pewter sons and daughters, for the year we wrote it down. Raise a racket for 250, bang the table, spill the ale. Still that stubborn, still that crafty, still that wild unbuttoned tale. Lift your voices rough and ready, let the rafters shake and ring. For the bold, unruly notion, we the people still will sing. Old men tell of barefoot soldiers marching marching through the frozen mud. Women hiding rebel pamphlets under aprons, under blood. Now their names are worn on markers tilting in the village green. Yet their mischief lives within us, in the space between the seams. Raise a racket for 250, bang the table, spill the ale. Still that stubborn, still that crafty, still that wild unbuttoned tale. Lift your voices rough and ready, let the rafters shake and ring. For the bold unruly notion, we the people still will sing. Here's to every quiet quarrel, lightning struck in common speech. Every porch and crowded parlor where the truth was out of reach. Here's to vows and smoky corners, spoken low, remembered bright. May we earn them, may we keep them when we argue through the night. Raise a racket for 250, bang the table, spill the ale. Still that stubborn, still that crafty, still that wild unbuttoned tale. Lift your voices rough and ready, let the rafters shake and ring. For the bold unruly notion, we the people still will sing.
From Canada, turning stumps at Marquis of speed. Tamed a naughty burl like a rabid bull. Made a hollow foam to make a bishop bleed. Shavings flying like a winter storm. Shirt stuck fast to his sweaty back. When he held that face to the tavern, light every jaw in the room went slack. They call him the Sawdust Mafia. Artisans and a little bit more. Men and shavings, grit and gospel hearts of maple oak and ore. Turning stumps into glory, running wild in a hail of chips. Crank the sketchometer to 90, white knuckles on the gouging grips. Hey! Sawdust Mafia, raise your glass and your fingertips. Ryan rode a rocket in his little shed, spun a fancy bowl like a launch pad. Foot on the pedalized dead calm, wood screaming hot in the midnight air. Curve so clean you could cut your tongue, edge so thin you could see through time. He just grinned, if it doesn't scare you once, you'll never cross that line. They call him the Sawdust Mafia. Artisans and a little bit more. Men and shavings, grit and gospel hearts of maple, oak and ore. Turning stumps into glory, running wild in a hail of chips. Cranking sketchometer to 90, white knuckles on the gouging grips. Sawdust Mafia, and your fingertips. Big Mike at the whack and shack said, watch this, lads, a dump. Sketchy blank like a crooked smile, he should have stopped, but he won't. One less cut in the world went bang. Rim took flight like a falling star, he laughed. Swore a cloud you could almost taste. Bits of bowl in his beard, in the rafters, in the jar. They call him the Sawdust Mafia. Artisans and a little bit more. Men of courage, cracked and grinning with their boots on the shaving floor. Turning stumps into legend, singing loud over scrapes and squeals. Crank the sketchometer to 90, if it doesn't shake it isn't real. Hey! Sawdust Mafia, raise your glass and spin that wheel.
And eventually I will glue down this lid or put a screw in it so that it can't just randomly pop open. Alright, victim of the flying bridge. There's some technique. And I want to glue the bridge down. And it does appear that it's orientated right. Alright, me and the flying bridge are about to box. Yep, gotta get used to the flying bridge. Because it is in the exact wrong spot for where I would mute my strings. So, thank you for watching. I hope that you will join me on this musical instrument journey that I am embarking on in 2026. Very playable instruments. We'll work on fine later. Right now, I'm working on getting instruments that will play. This cigar box guitar is a very simple kit. I'm glad that I bought it. I'm glad that I took the time to put it together on video. In the meantime, I love you all. Thank you for being a part of my journey on YouTube. If you haven't, please won't you subscribe. I try to do a challenge every month beginning this year, 2026. There are about 8 days left to get in on the January challenge, which was a plank dulcimer. Information can be found on my channel community page or in the Plank Dulcimer Challenge playlist.
Hand-carved hearts, strung as stone, from a small barn shop we call home. Soldier Farms, you feel the grain.